Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your AirPods free with your iPhone 15 Pro. So to do this, first of all, just input both earbuds inside the case, close it and charge for like 20 minutes by using this lightning port. And next you have to click and hold this button while the case is open. So let's do this. Wait until this indicator starts blinking white. There we go, it means that right now we are in the pairing mode. Put it close to your iPhone, but do not close this cover, it's very important. Then we can simply go to the Bluetooth settings on our device. Open the Bluetooth, turn it on. And then you've got two options to connect by using this connect button or also by using the device's list. So that's my way, and as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.